Have you ever wondered who clears the snow outside during winter? Or who empties our trash cans to keep our parks clean? It's guys like these. Employees of the building yards. Every city has them, and they take over many different tasks. And for this, they need one thing above all: a lot of tools and equipment. And as if they didn't have enough to do, they also struggle with a fair amount of overhead when it comes to maintaining and organizing this equipment. Just as Mark. He's a city worker at the building yard Reutlingen, and he spends plenty of time doing regulatory inspection of electrical devices. And for this, he needs to search for various Excel lists, handwritten notebooks, and needs to call his colleagues to figure out who has used the tool. When he finally gathered all the information, he needs to manually copy them into a form and send it off. And then, with the next item, this starts all over again, and again. And you're right, this eats up both time and energy. We believe it shouldn't be like this, as every minute that Mark wastes is nothing else but lost working time. Rather, all the information and processes should be directly available on the item itself.
And that is why we created Nect. Our low-code platform helps you to augment items with a digital interface to bundle information and increase productivity. To easily connect items with their digital counterpart, we are using QR code technology. Now, let's have a look how we can support Mark in his daily tasks. With our solution, Mark's inspection can be done easier and faster than ever before. By simply scanning the QR code on the item, Mark will be redirected to the main interface of the item. We instantly provide Mark with an overview of all different types of information, such as general information, purchase information, and also service information. Before Mark starts his task, he quickly wants to check the details from his last inspection. He can do this in the service information section. When the practical part of Mark's inspection is complete, he navigates to the app section of the item. The electrical inspection app contains all the required fields to complete his task. He sets the inspection date to today and adds some additional comments. Then he only has to sign it and submit it. Now everything's up to date. He can quickly check that by going to the service information section, and voila, everything is up to date. To improve the inspection even further, Mark is now wondering if there's a way to instantly report if the tool is broken. To request this functionality, Mark reaches out to the IT partner of the building yard.
Building a damage report app with Nect is very straightforward. First, the developer logs into our platform and navigates to the development wizard. Here, to create the damage report app, he first decides to add a block in order to select the item status from a list of options. As you can see in the component menu, we can also specify other options like the data to be displayed, API connections, or even custom code. Now he also decides to add a text area in order to give a description of the damage. And then we need to fill in some basic app information and click on Upload App. And with this, the development is finished. In order to deploy the newly created app to Mark's tool, we first need to navigate to the Item Manager. Here, we simply need to spot Mark's item and add the app using its item menu. Like that, a new function was added. Now, we can preview the new item page by clicking on its item ID, and there we'll be able to see that the new app appears. So, let's recap. Nect enables the development of custom asset management solutions and brings across several key benefits: quick development and realization of projects, smooth integration into existing IT systems, and negligible investment on infrastructure.
Beyond building yards, there are many more businesses across various industries that struggle with physical asset management. In order to bring our solution to all of them, we partner with IT service providers that build customized solutions for their clients across different sectors. However, we chose public building yards as a starting point, as there's still great potential for digitalization projects. Our product comes in 3 different tiers, depending on customer service, user traits, and additional services. With a monthly subscription model, we give the IT providers the flexibility to upgrade to a larger package once they've acquired more end users. Overall, the professional package allows them to serve at least 3 clients. Our main target customers are small to medium-sized IT providers who serve clients of asset-heavy industries. Based on an average monthly subscription fee of 1,100 euros, we obtain a total addressable market volume of 1.1 billion euros a year. Moving forward, our vision is to become the leading platform for item management across industries.
We are the team behind Nect and are ready to connect the offline world. But first, it is up to you. Just check out the demo on our landing page and start creating your personal app.